My name is Alessandra Castillo. I'm a corporate lawyer and I'm from El Salvador. We have many different clients. Some of them have U.S. jurisdiction. My boss and mentor actually taught me about the program, and we thought that it's a great element to have this information and to know more about the U.S. Law system, because it's far different from what we see in our jurisdictions. Business associations was a subject that was very good. I really needed to get to know the difference between the different type of corporations and partnerships and that. And the last class that we had was securities, and it was so good. The professor was so into the subject and it was so well prepared that it made it far clearer for us to understand, and it was a great experience overall. I participated in the mock trial. I was part of the defense team, and we had a case against the United States government, and it was a great experience to have. I don't usually do litigation in my day-to-day, but it was very interesting to get to know how you go into a courtroom and how you proceed with the judge and with the other counsel and with the prosecution. So it was an incredible activity to do. I would totally recommend this program. I've got many colleagues that work in the corporate area, and I think they would definitely benefit from this program. And even if they are not in the corporate area, I think it's a very good subject to have, to know more about how the common law system works, because it's not really something that we see every day in our jurisdictions. So it's been a great program. The professors have been great. The administrative help that we've got, it's been great, and it's just overall excellent experience to have.